Drinking water has numerous benefits, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to flavor your water that will help you lose weight, lose belly fat. It will take you from this to this, where you will love the way you look. So here is the water, and I'm going to share with you the benefits of spicing your water up to help support the body. Let's get into it. Here is mint. Mint is a fragrant and delicious plant that is an ingredient in many foods and beverages. It also has health benefits that may include relieving indigestion, improving brain function, and masking bad breath. Next is water. Getting enough water every day is important for health. Drinking water can prevent dehydration, which may cause unclear thinking, mood change, overheating, constipation, and kidney stones. Water has no calories, so replacing sugary drinks with plain water can help reduce calorie intake. Do you know that healthy eating is the most effective way to lose weight? Healthy eating is what has gotten me from this to this. And that is why I am sharing with you my weight loss cookbook. This cookbook has recipes ranging from breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, and snacks, and they are all designed to meet your weight loss goals. So I invite you to get a copy. It's available on Amazon, and I'm very sure that you would like those foods because they are designed to help you and to support your weight loss journey, and they are very delicious as well, and they are easy to make. And this cookbook has pictures that will help you to follow the process step by step. And let me know your thoughts by writing a review at the end of the day, after making those foods. So go try it, and let me tell you, it will help you to maintain healthy weight and support your overall health. Back to the video. So here we have the mint leaves cut out, and water in a container, and other ingredients. So first we are going to wash our fruits and vegetable. So we take lemon, and next is lime. Next we have cucumbers. So keep in mind, all my vegetables and fruits are organic, so that's what I'm showing you right now. They are all organic, so I try to keep it healthy. So here I'm just gonna put it away and then wash them. So I'm gonna be washing them with this organic fruit and vegetable wash. So you have to wash your own very well, because I'm gonna put it into the water and it has to be very clean. And also this helps to wash away the pesticides, but mine is organic and no pesticide was sprayed on it, but I wash it because of removing the dirt, and I had to use the scrub to scrub it very, very well. Liking the video so far, please give this video a like. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. First, we take cucumber. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in fiber. They also contain vitamins and minerals your body needs to function at its best, including magnesium, potassium, and vitamins K, A, and C, supporting everything from bone to immune health. Next is lemon. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, which helps your body produce collagen and supports healthy skin. Vitamin C also helps your immune system function and absorb iron. Drinking lemon water in the morning can help with digestion, especially if you have heartburn, indigestion, or bloating. Other benefits of lemons are cancer prevention, weight loss, hydration, support heart health, constipation, help control weight, and many more. So after squeezing the juice into it, I cut the skin and added it to the water, and also I added mint leaves. And here we have lime. Limes are high in vitamin C, providing over 20% of your daily needs. Limes may help improve immunity, reduce heart disease risk factors, prevent kidney stones, aid iron absorption, promote healthy skin, and lower your risk of certain cancers. So after squeezing it as well, I cut it into the water. So we are done. There you have it. How to make your own flavored water that is healthy, no preservatives, supports the body, helps you lose weight, and also helps you lose belly fat. So this is it. And here is the one that was in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna get a cup of it and enjoy. So this is what I drink first thing in the morning. This is what I also drink throughout the day whenever I'm thirsty, when I eat, because lemon water helps with digestion. Lime does the same thing. Cucumber does the same thing, and the mint. And imagine putting all that in your water. That will surely help you maintain healthy weight. And water is crucial for many bodily functions, such as lubricating the joints, delivering oxygen throughout the body, preventing kidney damage, and more. And adding these amazing fruits and vegetables to eat will just boost your overall health. And I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you are interested in eating delicious meal while losing weight, I encourage you to buy my weight loss cookbook. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye bye.